in central Louisiana, St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until midnight Central Daylight Time tonight. At 8:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Opelousas, Crowley, Eunice, Rain, Ville Platte, Church Point, Monkey, Malou, Basile, Iota, Croc Springs.
We might get a doubleheader. We might get a doubleheader.
Melville, Mermentau, Turkey Creek, Palmetto, Morrow, Bayou Current, and Evangeline. Turn around.
I actually don't think we're going to get a doubleheader.
Encountering
Maybe.
flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.